Installation tutorial for Ferrari 488 passenger display. Step 1. Unscrew the screws on the cover panel below the glove box. Remove the cover panel. Step 2. Unscrew the screws that fix the bottom of the glove box. There are 3 screws in total. All need to be removed. Take out the glove box. Then pry off the leather cover panel on the right side of the vehicle. Next, we remove the AC panel. There are 2 screws under the AC panel that need to be unscrewed. Pry off the AC control panel. Unplug the wiring harness connector. Then we unscrew the screws that fix the original passenger side trim panel from the bottom. There are 3 screws in total. Carefully take out the trim panel. There is still 1 fixing screw on the far right side of the trim panel which needs to be unscrewed. Take out the trim panel. Unplug the connector from the AC control panel. Remove the cover panel above the driver's side instrument cluster. There are 2 screws in total. Take off the cover panel. Prepare our aftermarket passenger screens. Install the original AC control panel onto our aftermarket screen. We made sure the screens could fit in position according to the vehicle's original screws, so you could install them directly without making additional holes. Prepare the wiring harness we provided. Pass one end of the wiring harness from above the instrument cluster to the bottom of the passenger side. For the lower wiring harness, pass it from the gap behind the center control panel to the passenger side. Connect one end of the wiring harness on the instrument cluster side to the instrument cluster connector and plug the other end into the instrument cluster. Connect this end of the wiring harness to the wiring harness on the passenger screen and plug the other end into the passenger screen as shown. Then plug the corresponding wire harness of the glove box into the matching hole. Next, plug in the harness of the AC panel. Then snap the trim panel back into its original position as it was. Tighten the fixing screws as they were. Put back the instrument cluster cover and put back the screws. Snap the right side leather trim panel back into place. Plug the wiring harness connector of the center control AC panel back in and reinstall it to the original position. Don't forget to screw back the 2 screws at the bottom. Then reinstall the glove box and install the last screws. That's it for the installation. Finally, we test whether all functions work normally.